Hi everyone, Namaste, this is Parul and let's do some simple breath work by the beach today. So just sit comfortably and if you feel comfortable to close your eyes or you can look down. Make yourself physically comfortable. Any necessary adjustment you need to make in your body, go ahead and do that. Relax your breath and try to focus on every inhalation and exhalation, breathing in and breathing out. Take few breaths at your own pace, focusing on your inhalation and exhalation. Now gently rest your hand on your belly and let's take few belly breaths. So we're going to breathe in from our nose all the way into our belly. Let the belly expand. Inhale. And slow breath out through your nose, gently pulling your belly in. Continue. Inhale, expanding your belly. Exhale, belly in. Inhale, expand your belly. Exhale, bring your belly in. Inhale, expand your belly. Exhale, bring it in. Do this again. Now slowly bring your belly to neutral position and release your hands. Now let's make our breath equal. So we're going to practice box breathing. So you're going to breathe in to the count of 1, 2, 3, 4 and then breathe out to the count of 4. So let's start. Breathe in to the count of 1, 2, 3, 4 and then you're going to hold your breath. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then you're going to exhale to the count of 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold it for 1, 2, 3, 4. Continue like this. Inhale to the count of 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold it for 1, 2, 3, 4 and then exhale slowly. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold it here for next 1, 2, 3, 4. Now do it at your own pace 3 more times. And then on your next exhalation, let's take 3 deep breaths together. Inhale, breathing in through your nose. Slowly take a deep breath in. And then exhale slowly through your nose. Slow and long exhalation. Inhale through your nose, taking a deep breath in. Slow and long exhalation through your nose. One more. Inhale through your nose, take a deep breath in. Exhale through your nose, long and slow exhalation. Then slowly open your eyes gently. Now we are going to do 2 pranayama practice. We are going to start with alternate nostril breathing. So you're going to put your right thumb on the right side of your nostril. Breathe in from your left nostril. Close the left, breathe out through your right. Now breathe in from your right. Breathe out from your left. Breathe in from your left. Breathe out from your right. Breathe in right. Breathe out left. And then breathe in left. Breathe out right. And breathing in right. And breathe out left. Release your hands. And now we are going to practice Brahmari or humming bee breath. That's again very calming for our body and mind. So let's put our thumb on our ear. Gently press your ears and close your eyes gently with your fingers. Putting 2 fingers underneath the nose, 2 fingers underneath the lips. Prepare yourself and let's start. Inhale through your nose, breathing in. Do 2 more times at your own pace. And then once you're done, release your hands slowly, sitting quietly for a few seconds to see how do you feel after this simple breath work. And now we end our practice with one simple chant of Om. So breathe in through your nose. Om. Gently opening your eyes. I hope you enjoyed this short session for breathwork. And I look forward to seeing you again. Namaste and have a wonderful day ahead. Take care.